अहनबदा ngasi hauju phawgi maru oiba pauseng Mausai khal kairak pana sakha thorangi thabakta na koina na chaitheng pi haina Chief Minister N Biren phongdokre madi ising phangdabagi awaba mayokna ringai da lofam kaya da tin ta silakpadagi kanbang amdaduna lomi singna masagi lofam mai thadokpa yaure खरुमजरी आज टीवी पाव मियंग ताबीरबसिंग मुताराम नोक्चरी हौजिमा पुंगिबा पाव मौसाई खल कायरकपना साखा थौरांगी थबकता ना कोइना चाइथिंग पि हाइना चीफ मिनिस्टर एन बिरेन फोंगदोख्रे परफॉर्मेंसिंग असि कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट्री एंड वाटर कंजर्वेशन सोसाइटी फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट सिंधुना इंडो जर्मन हाइबा KFW फाइनेंशियल Corporation Project Community Based Sustainable Forest Management for Water Resources Conservation in Manipur Haudopagi Thoram da Fongdokhibani Thangal Bazar da Laiba Hotel Sangai Continental da Pangtokhibak Nasigi Thoram Maduda Forest and Environment Minister T. Shyam Kumar, Additional Chief Secretary Forest and Environment Dr. Shuel Akhtar, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest K. Angami, Portfolio Manager GFA Hamburg Germany Manfred feature na chingbana thorom adugi athoiba mithungna sing oina saruk yakhe Forest Minister T. Shyam Kumar na Forest Department na mahusagi khal sing ngak senana ba lokalak pathabak singda micham miyamna forest ki ek rule sing khangdabadagi awaba kaya mayoknari ngasi paikhali ba project asina sakot thorangi thabak paikhat pada mahusagi phibam kaikhraba mafam sing semgat pada achobo mating ama oiragani MLA Minister Singdagi field da mathau tawriba forest officer singna mahusagi khal sing kahandanaba honabagi sarukam oina mathau tawbada ayet apan kaya pirakliba singasi tawbidanaba su appeal tawke Chief Minister N Biren makhatana haikibada mahusagi khal kairakpa asina mahusadagi leijaraklaba pothok sing miyamgi senmitlonga mari leinaba thabak sing amadi hakshelga mari leinaba singda su akaiba piri Mausagi khal kahandanaba amadi sakot thorangi thabak paikatpada khungangi miyamgi hingbaga mari leinaba senfam singda akhanaba miyeng changba matam oire ising ichaw amadi ikangi awaba kaya state asida chahi kharagi mamangda mayoknariba sing asidagi kananaba turelgi horpam sing amadi jungle sing ningthina sijinaba matam oire singi lam singda rain water harvesting gi tongan ba scheme 18 paikanaba rupa crore ahumlom kaichokle paddy and wetland sing kananaba government na Haukiba Tha Makai Asida Tamelong Amadi Senapati District ta Lam square kilometer Mafudani Toy Park Chawam Pharmacy Community Reserve Oina Sangat Kre Haike
Zoom cultivation, shifting zoom cultivation, which is massively destroying the forest land. And the government also has already initiated to rehabilitate, to stop those people who are having shifting zoom cultivation. Government is providing them, giving soft loans, and even we have started encouraging for plantation of lemon grass and the fruit-bearing plantations, so that the farmers, the beneficiary, can self-sustain. I am very happy to know that launching of today's project, it will definitely help to the peoples, those who are having culture of zoom cultivation. We can provide them alternative livelihood ways of means so that the forest can be fully protected.
Lofam sing datin tarak pada matam sana hidak kapthuktuna fau pambi sing kalongna bagi pandamda Agriculture Department na Mobile Plan Health Clinic ngarang launch tawbada ngairingai da kumbi kendragi lofam kaya da masak khangdaba tin tarak padagi longmi singna kanbangam dabadagi lofam kaya mai thadok pahawnare Ising phangdabagi awaba mayoknaringai da lofam kaya da tin tasilakpadagi kanbangam daduna longmi singna masagi lofam mai thadokpa asigi matangda aikoigi wangu pawmi Stephena pirakpa report ki matungina kumbi kendragi manung chanbada leiriba lofam kaya ising phangdabagi awaba mayoknabadagi longmi singna wana honaduna ising thajilaba matungda phau satpa horakpa matam asida khanghaudana amuk masak khangdaba tin kaya tasinduna lofam kaya paktaknana amang ata thogalagli hari Asigumba makhalgi tinasi lofam amadagi atopa lofam amada yamna thuna sandokanba maramna atopa lofam singda sandokhidanaba longmi singna hidak kaptuna honarabasu kanadabadagi sel changna honajarakiba lofam kaya phau satpa horabasu mahei charoidabagi phibamda lakpadagi ningba kairaba longmi singna masagi lofam sing mai thadokpagi thabak chatharakle Manipur lenga ki mari lainaba department na huzik fawbagi oinadi miyeng amata changlakpa leitri haina longmi amana pendaba phongdorakle
kogi ai lofam je hana kangame ado ai sing singa kanda mu sing ji khara le kanda masi ang khaktang han hore ba area ji de nai ni hida kape ahum marira kape ado parliament na phaman tha dabadagi area je mai khara thado ga topada lanjan gidna bana mai tharaga chiang mane awa bani har phangdadana har bekta chate chani pan pi dana lising pi bok jai re si matung da mo khara phagadra na tawraga mo tinji mathong mong khang dilan ta salak na se lok to mandra do awabadi lere lomi gi akhoi masi mathang amu kari tor ka to buno ha buju tambang amte aduna masi saka da gi ju kitang angam mateng di panghaningi masi amu tawraga maru murang khang de hawai chungwai khang de khojo mu hingda di adam ni na wana ningba du dilei sagi
Atop lofamgi longmi kharana phongdorakpada areba sel puthoktuna law uruba mafam sing haujikti mahisa dabagi phibamda laklabanina longmi singi khalaga mari leinaba department na sab saba thabak thoram sing paikhat pinaba appeal tawrakle
mangi ba lofam sing asi khoi mari leinaba department haibadi maru oina agriculture department na hairiba mafam sing asi yengbiraga matangba sunaba maru marang sing khara longmi singi awabasi yengbiraga matangba sunaba maru marang sing pibinaba Mari lainaba department se da lomi amoina hajer
maru marang se matam chana khoi gi loma pham ji da lau je lok trabani na uji angan ba matam ji da khoi hinguchi ma pham je khoi da laga khoi maru marang karino habado khoi thana na bagi sarkar na yengbi rau mateng khara pibi rau adu natradi khoi phau chiang jo mata laitrabani na khoi upai laitre
Manipur lenga ki anoba mission ama oiriba Loktak livelihood mission ngasi chief minister gi miyeng makhada oinam kendra gi MLA su oiriba Manipur pollution control board ki chairman El Radakishore na hangdukre district administration Bisnupur Loktak development authority amadi Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyay institute of agricultural sciences ulawna puna sinduna pangthokiba thoram aduda PSCD minister El Dikho MLA SB ra yauna mari leinaba official singsu saruk yake Radakishore na haikibada Loktak ya koibada leiriba fumdina kupsinduna leiriba mafam sing loksoktuna nga yoktuna Manipurda nga gi potok hengat hananaba khongthang asi paikhalakpani Bisnupur district ki tawbulda lam hector lising amada ngasi sangariba pen culture amadi KS culture asi hawdokpani makha tanasu atopa mafam sing da paikhatkigani haike
koi set improvement program akaknaba pandamogi makha da koi Nahar Singh Sibu, Tabak Bangkok Nahar Singh Sibu Tabak Pinana Bagi program ne 1000 hectare dedi aikoi 20 into 1000 hectares laku matamda yamdrabada first aikoi target tawjeri base unemployed youths 20,000 Tabak Pinana Bagi honorable chief minister ke pandam ne
Manipur State Commission for Women amadi Manipur Police Department anina kusam naduna police sensitization gi maramda nomagi oiba state level workshop ama ahanba Manipur Rifles ki banquet hall da pangthokre thoramadu Human Rights Commission gi acting chairperson Khaide Mani Women Commission gi chairperson Dr. K Sovita yauna makok thongba police officer kya susarukya ke Manipur Human Rights Commission gi acting chairperson Khaide Mani na Miyoibagi punsi nungai yaifana lainanaba sarkarna makhal kayagi commission semde masigi manungda nupi singbu ngak senanaba women commission linkatuna nupi da chathaba miyot mine kayadagi ngakthoknanaba honare domestic violence act asi lana sijinarabadi nupa kaya awafamda tahanbada laina thokani maduna act asi yamna section ba mathautai police haiba senphamasi crime toba thingba miyambu tangdu laitana lainanaba honaba haibasi police ki chawraba thodangne police officer amana Matak thongba officer gi yathang inba haibasisu police ki phajaraba duty ni adubu ain gi wangmada matak thongba officer na makha taba officer da thabak pangthoknanaba haireklabadi adugumba order adu indaba yai masigi matangda Supreme Court ki yathang su lei Women Commission yauna atai commission kayana paikhalakpa case singda matam sana warushin puroknanaba honabada police na mateng pangbasu tangai fade court case ama thengnabada matam sangna logadaba kaya commission na irai laina loishin bangami haike
Kalere, Mana Karimukala Singdo, and Yadabada Kalere, Haidana, Tarapu Somunje, Adumala Adude Latraga Tarapu Warrenje, policing Namatam Sana, Mating Pangiraga, Yovan Gadavana. Old Maxunatana, Kayuman Commissioner, Natragasuma Commissioner, Equatasi Hirapayabra, Haidana Karimumakanda, Pawaba, Aduma Punama to Kokna Nabigita Mukta, Nasiki Sugumba sensitization program between the police personnel and the Women Commission, Asito Chumia.
Sericulture Zakot Hanana Pandamda Residential Beneficiary Empowerment Program Ama Sangai Pata Leba, Sericulture Office Tangasi Hodokre. In Solusangani Taramapalgi January Tang Tara Fawa Pangtokadaba training program Asida, Tongan District Mio Chani Panasaru Yare. Hodopagi Thoramda Sericulture Director S. Kunjakishore, Deputy Director C.S. Harendra Kumar Amadi, Assistant Director Technical Hamid Ul Hakna Maru Obamesing and Sarukyake, Director S. Kunjakishona, Sericulture na Miyangi Sel Tungi Pibam, Hengat Hanbangangani, Beneficiaries Sing Kwak Culture Lehanduna, Lamdamasida Sericulture Hinganbasi, Training Program Asigi Maru Oba Pandam Haike.
Smina training without proper training adu awareness yaudna kuna hoigi government gi funds he thadu matamda misuse to bugi kenosi kitang room jam wangna leiba aduna kuna training sina front loaded tawraga properly sap tawna ba haitara kuna thadu ibak paisa du matam sana mong subna ma piri specification du da chumna season na ba na koi training ji maruina sinjabani manipur da koi wa culture amakak walak pase si koi tawdragadi Tasina beneficiaries in Jida, Madupasana aware where Tabak to Ontoaga di Haitare, Ekuyamna productive by Yamna Poto Putokana, de Mugi Yamna sustainable income Tandana, Sericulture Toraga Mugi, Tungi, family run over the economy award to Dokna Layroeva.
Thado Students Association na Ima Kondong Laiden Bi Kubam Dat Lay Riba Laisang Siki Matanga, Seng Bakang Labadi. In Solusing Samapal Mafudrat Redki, February Tankun Mangada, Matam Quina Amasung, Tenkang Kaya Tokna, Waris Hanaraba Matunda, Ima Kondong Laiden Bi Togal Loop Amasung MCM na Nakal Ama Oiraga, ISDC Amasung MADW na Nakal Nama Oiraga, Lamkayana Kibani Hibasi, Matamaduda Agreement over that Yaukiba Organization Singapore na Paminaraga, Kangbayagani Haina, Ima Kondong Laiden Bi Togal Loop Gerald Amanakangalakle. Ima Kondong Lairembi Hibasi, Maite Kaktanatana, community Kayana, Hazana Kurum Nariba Lairembini, Masibu Ningzaba Musina, Laisangasiki Lazariba, Lamda, Yum Saduna Sebato Hibasi, Tapsaba Hakne. Masina Atopa community da Akaiba Pigatabanate, Henadum Yum Tangana, Leminaduna, Awat Apa Hangminaduna, Sakat Minapayai, Masida Mitaina, Polishito Duna, Atopa community da, Mushinadana Basin Batoroi, Wafumasiki Matanga, Waris Haba, the Yaukibasina, Hira Masida, Munna, Kangipani Haike.
Welcome to Food Wi-Fi, the fastest food delivery app in Imphal. There's no minimum order that brings the tastiest food in your neighborhood right to your doorstep, so you can order for one or for many. A well-trained delivery team will satisfy your hunger in no time. Download the Food Wi-Fi app now.
Rainbow Montessori Teachers Training Institute, Kumbong Mamang Laikai. Admission open for 6 months diploma course in Montessori Training Centers, Brighter Academy, New Chekon and Brighter Academy, Kumbong. Eligibility 12 class pass or above. Hostel facilities available. In-class comments from 22nd November 2018. Class timing 3 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Lismart Industry na iramda masida ihan hana puthok jaba sangai teng kumsishu mahusagumna Ningon Jacobuga Mari Lenana, Jada, Taretagina, Tara Pawatana, Pangigani.
Kudong Java as Lobiho, from Biga the Voma from D, Lamfield the Labor, head office Koktadani.
This Durga Puja, celebrations and happiness will never end with amazing offers from Samsung. Buy a Samsung Galaxy smartphone and get a chance to win a Jeep Compass, Hyundai Eon car, Honda Dream Neo bike and lot more. Hurry, visit your nearest Samsung store today. TNC apply.
Manipur da amata ngairaba organic outlet ta phangba organic ki pothok sing nasi.
Jolip 100% natural syrup amasung capsule yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng हक्चांगी लिवर सोक्लकपदगी कुचू सेंगक्तबा हक्चांग सोक्थरकपा तुम्बा चाबा यारक्तबा खोंग हांबा नुंगारक्तबा सिंबु फहनबा ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi Jolib syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolib capsule chabiu
JJ School Montessori. Give your child the best of education that they deserve. Admissions open for session April 2019-20. JJ School Montessori. Please visit www.jjschool.co.in or visit the school today.
Break matung na member taram nokchare. Makata pauda. May Kaba Chinjakna, my Rikunai the Piba Chaiting Hiba Hiramda academic campaign ama. Kadana Sinduna Infaliski Manuchanba Uchekon Yubras Pali the Leba, Merit Scholar English School of Pangto Cre. Taramaduda Kadagi President in charge Tinthogam Shamjai, Merit Scholar English School Principal Seram Ongbitamna, Infalis District Committee Kadagi Vice President Jauna Miyakana Sarukia K. May Kaba Nisa Tingana Bahonabada Miampuna Sarukia Minasi Hiba from Fundokna K. Aerodrome safeguarding and its implementation by airport management ki matangda numit nini chupna sathakadaba workshop ama chingmairong da leba classic grande da ngasi hokre hogdopagi thoramda additional chief secretary MS Khan Imphal International Airport ki director SS Valavan Visnupur district ki assistant commissioner Nitu Singhana maru oiba miyasingona sarukya ke Imphal International Airport ki director SS Valavanna Act East policy lakpa amasung North East region ase India gi corridor ama oibana airport asi yamna maru oiba mafam ama oigadore matamgi matungina airport semga sagatpagi thabakta miyamna mateng pangbiu haike additional chief secretary MS Khanna airport ki akoibada leifam thokpasing haujutagi hauna semhauba tagai fade haike.
This is the high time that we plan our city, our I should say amenities very properly, and I am very sure that the international facilities of flights for Manipur, let's say to Thailand, other places, will also be very much in the near future after this corridor of that road, triangle corridors, Mizoram, Manipur, More and everything will be there. So I think Manipur will certainly develop a lot in coming 10 years. And for prospective planning, the aerodrome safety, safeguarding of aerodromes and this airport management, coordination with the district administration, coordination with the state government, land use planning, then your town planning, then your bylaws for making the buildings, etc. is very important.
Atal Yuba Maha Adivation da Sarugyagadoriba BJP Yuba Morcha Manipur Pradesh ki members sing ngasi Chief Minister N Birena BJP ki office tagi lam thakre Thasiki tang kuntaruk kunipan fauba Hyderabad ki parade ground da pangthogadoriba thoramasida Manipur Pradesh BJYM ki president Somorjit Yauna punna member chani nifuna sarugyagadori BJYM Manipur Pradesh ki president Somorjit na pangthogadoriba thoramasida lamdamasigi culture amadi anoba wakalol sing share tawbaga loinana na singna lawgadaba thodang sing khangminabagi khudong saba leigani haike
recently mona lakpa pauda Manipur suppose tourism do waita skill development do waita karikei to we age haibna sing do akoi hairiba conventions da ma khwari chaw conventions da khoi puthok jagani with cultural ga mari leina na akoi dress code am sulono pure hairiba pot sing to khoi adam boida sungjoi soidna mangi mamang da thamjagani
October Kuntramathoi da UCM na Sinduna Pangthogadoriba mass rally asida auto diesel allied taxi cabs association for self-employment Ningthokong light vehicle transport of passengers welfare union all Manipur sound service association Ningol Yaifa Thorang Lob the Limeral Lof amadi the youth progressive club na mating pangani hairi Saita Yokat Kanglup Tenthana Sinduna Tentha Kongbal da Leiba Bamon Mandapta National Youth Awardee Rakesh Naurem Taramna Opaga Luinana Direct Om Fongkre Thoramadu Hanagi Minister Moirangthem Hemanta Yauna Miyakana Sarukya Ke Phongkiba Direct Ahum Adudi Moirangthem Maimu Machana Iba Isai Sairengi Direct Lauram Dai Tengna Manbi Moirangthem Devdasna Iba Sairengi Direct Ani Malika Amadi Thawai Mireni Yaripok Circle gi prepaid consumer singda numidang wairam khuding gi mai phangdriba si mari lainaba authority na athuba matamda maram khangan biu haina Bamol Lekai Youth Club Yaripok na thadorok pacherol amana khangalakle masigi matangda Wangkhem Kendra gi MLA nasu akanma mieng changbiu hairi Lions Club Moirang na Sinduna International Peace Poster Campaign Club asigi oina sungase Moirang Palok Lekai da leiba Loktak Modern Fish Market ta pangthokre Moirang Kendra gi manung da leiba tongan ba school kundagi lakpa chai tarama thoidagi taram dei fawgi manung da leiba mahiroi kunthra romna saruk yakhe Lions Club Moirang gi President PS Novinna Poster Campaign asidagi khangalabasing district level gi thakta saruk yaraba matungda national amadi international gi thakta changdamnabada saruk yagani haikhe
Santi gi apam si karino haiba khangdok nabagi damakta aikoina hairiba thim sida angang singsina santi gari pami haibado madu khangdok nabagi damakta painting competition asi pangtok chabani
All Manipur Bodybuilders Association gi miyeng makhada Royal Fitness Academy Gym Thawal amadi Bodybuilders Association Thawal na sinduna ngarang Thawal wang matabada leiba Thawal District Table Tennis Association gi indoor stadium da Taruk Shubha Pari Sajau Manipur State Level Open Bodybuilding Contest Open State Level Fitness Contest samadi Thawal District Level Fitness Contest 2018 pangthokre Lekidraba bodybuilder AK Kenner gi mingda chahi khudingi pangthokpa atho ehen tanaba aduda MPSC gi W Kiranna Mr. Paris Hajogi title lokre Open State Level Fitness Contest ta D Gym Nagamapal gi MD Fazirul Hakna Junior title loke Mr. Junior Paris Hajauda EC Gym Singjamai gi Risikantana title loke Hauji maroi pau amo Mausagi khal kairak pana sakwa thorang gi thabak da na koina na chetheng pi haina Chief Minister N Biren na phongdokre amade ising phangdabagi awaba mayokna ringai da lofom kaya da tin tasilakpadagi kanbangam da duna lomi singna masagi lofom mai thatukpa yaure Hauji phawbi wena dia sibna pijo paw matang solution jare mieng tabiri basingba muka hanna khurum jare